Hi, I'm going to order from Amazon. I need to order from Amazon some squishies, some slime, and packages. So yeah. But before we get started, comment below if you like and subscribe and give it a big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. So yeah, so let me just So I don't want a bunch of things. You will see, guys. I'm going to order. My heroes. Okay, so I ordered some stuff. You guys will see. But yeah. So yeah. Ding! Oh, I have a slime package. Let's see who's this from. Oh, quite a unicorn. Well, thanks. What she wants? Damn, she wants a lot. Okay, so she wants a squishy that is a breast squishy. I do have a breast squishy. She wants a homemade. So, and she wants a little cute little face for. I'll keep this for myself. I want to keep it for myself. I want to keep it for myself. So I'm going to give her this like bread squishy that's coming out. She won't mind. It's not that squishy like this one. It's not this one. Okay, she wants some glitter. I'll give her these on the brand one, but I'll give her. I want to give this one myself. I want to give her exact same but used. This one's used a lot, so I'm going to give her that one. She wants a slime that has beads. It has blue beads. And it has those little magic things and so I do have that. Sorry guys, I cannot show my face. I don't want to keep this on myself, so I'm going to give her a one tiny piece. Yeah, like that. That's good. Okay. So I'm gonna go get a container. That container. She wants a cute little blanket that's squishy. I do have that. This for myself and give her a container. She wants some boondoggles and she wants 5, but I don't have no boondoggles, so I'll give her these. And let's see, I don't have nothing, so these are all beautiful. Yeah, guys, I don't have no boondoggles, so. She wants more. I don't have no more slime, so I'm gonna give her this container. And she wants some beads, but I can just. She wants some beads, so let me just take these off. I don't care. She doesn't like it. Okay, so let's get those off. Let's get those off because I don't want those that. That's pretty much good. She can keep the rest on her body. And I want to put her beads in here. And yeah, so. Okay. And that is what I'm giving her it. So I'm going to give her an extra one. I'm going to give her this thing. and I'm gonna give her an apple. So an apple's more mellow, but it's squishies. So we're gonna, so yeah, let's give her that. Let's get her box here. I'm going to put those in her box.
Ni leche ni nada.
Yay. So let's go send it to her. Hi. So I got a package that I ordered with that last year. And
Okay?
my face.
Okay? Okay?
So
Más te voy a dar poquita.
alright, so I have a package here. I want to move it, so you guys get a peek look. I hope it's so good. I paid $50 for all of this. Yay. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I think this one's an extra one. My slime, seriously? This is supposed to be my beads. I ordered 5 beads. 5 colors of beads. That's okay. So I think this is just an extra one. Yeah, this is just an extra one. So, and it even doesn't have a container. Oh my goodness. Next thing, an apple. This could be a poison apple, so it's just like put it like that, and then okay, that's going in the trash. Next, these are our extra ones, okay, and thank you for the help. I really like it, but I do not want to put it around my neck so it stinks. Next, this is supposed to be an extra one too. The thing is getting some of it hard. I'm going to pull this. It's supposed to be my slime. My slime. That's small, and I ordered a large. Well, thanks. Next. Thanks for the extra one. Thank you. Yeah, I added some glitter. Let's look at it. This thing is used. There's not any. Doesn't have any. My kawaii bread, and this doesn't look like a bread. It's not squishy. And the last thing in there, this. Guys, I paid $50. So wait. So I didn't, these beads, so these are my beads. I ordered more boondoggles, so this is supposed to be my boondoggle. These two. Like that. And my slime that I ordered slime. And this one, and then my slime. I never sent these back. I think this is not my right package. Bye guys. Hi guys, I got this package. It's open. So this is the box that I got last time that I ordered. And this is my name, Heidi. Well, let's see. So put them out. Oh, I didn't order any package still. Okay, so the girl, Annabelle, whatever her name is, she sent me the things back. So, well, yeah, so I guess I need to return the thing. No, we'll just leave. Wrong person. She's my best friend in high school. Uh-oh, okay. Okay, now I need to get started. Okay, I will put the slime back in here. Okay. I remember her now. Okay. Now where's the container? I'll give her this. Like that. Give that. She wanted a quiet bread, and she wanted one of these, and she wanted a plastic bread. Okay. She wanted some beads. So I don't know how to be. She wanted some this. For these. Put those there. She wanted some glitter. This is not the used one. So brand new. This one doesn't get off. She won't. I'll give it these. I'll not give it these. Okay, I will go send it. Hi guys, I got a brand new package. I hope it's not scary or anything. Okay, so I will give you a little peek. Look. Okay, so let's pull one out. Yay! I got the right order. I think this is not what I remember. I wanted a bread, Hawaii bread. Then I got a present. Like a bad present. It was all ripped and it was all like trapped. Okay. Next one. These are stuck together. Oh, this is supposed to be my blanket in the bed. Then so soft. Thank you very much. My slime. I finally got my slime good. I think the other lady messed up. But since I think I was her sister or something like that. Thank you very much. Ooh, mysterious box. This is boondoggles made in USA. How many boondoggles that I wanted from her? Oh yeah, I wanted really this one because it was pretty. Really wanted the Chinese one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, next one. My beads, guys. I got my beads. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you like it. This was just a fake thing. I was just performing. This is the jacket that I was wearing that the girl sent me. Her name was, I forgot because I was being my character. And I hope you enjoy it. And it was really funny. It was really funny how I hit myself when I paused the video. I was eating in the video, so didn't seem was like I was like that's why I was not talking. But this is the slime. Yeah, I made a video haul of the slime. It's not sticky anymore. I fixed it. But all the beads come out though. That's what I hate it. Thanks for watching. Comment if you like it. One more time. Thanks for watching. Comment if you like it, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy. And comment down below. When do you celebrate Christmas? I thought we celebrated in 25, but we celebrate in 24. So tomorrow, if you celebrate it in in the 25, doing my day for you guys, and ours is 2. So yeah, peace and share the love.